Let's go to Diepkloof now, where learners at Vulamasibuko Primary School are set to benefit from improved sporting facilities following the handover of a newly built multi-purpose combi court by the Deputy Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture, Peace Mabi, earlier today. Now, the facility forms part of the Department of Sports, Arts and Culture's ministerial outreach program, which aims to expand access to quality sports infrastructure while promoting talent identification and youth development. Now, the department says the court will accommodate various sporting codes and encourage greater participation in sport among learners and the surrounding community.
2, 1.
Sekuvulwe ngokusemthethweni inkundla yezemidlalo kaNokusho esikoleni samabanga phansi iVulamazibuko esizinze endaweni yaseDiepkloof. Usekela ngqongqoshe wezamaciko, usiko kanye nezemidlalo kwelakuleli ulandise kanjena ngokwethulwa kwalenkundla.
Vulamazibuko is the center. We need to have a roster and understanding. Even the principal, we did make it clear to him that he must allow members of the community to use this facility, and as they do so, they must respect the premises of the school. No vandalism. They must please respect this facility as well, because the lifespan of this facility, it is 15 years. So before, no line that is going to be scratched for 15 years is guaranteed. We will not come and fix anything. So please love this facility. It will love you and it will produce athletes for you.
Kusenjalo ungqongqoshe uphinde waveza ukuthi baqhuba umkhankaso njengomnyango wokugqugquzela ukuzigqaja ngobuwena njengomuntu waseNingizimu Afrika.
We are teaching young people about patriotism. What does it mean to be a South African? Not just a South African, but a proudly South African. We do this because this year marks 30 years of the signing of the Constitution. So the signing of the Constitution, of course, you know that the flags and other important national symbols, they fall into place. So that's where we've started.
Lenkundla kulindeleke ukuba ivuleleke emphakathini kanye nasezikoleni ezakhelene ukuqinisekisa ukuthi ezemidlalo nokuzivocavoca kuyingxenye yabafundi. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu, ngise Diepkloof.